Hello, good morning. Ik ben Benjamin. I work as a process coordinator at Umicore Precious Metals Refining after completing a traineeship at Umicore Hoboken. Today I'm going to guide you through a typical workday of my life. But first, before we start working, we have to get there, so I'll be taking my bike. Alright, arrival at the bike deposit where I can safely store my bike. Now off to the production site. As you can see, I changed clothes. This is my stylish outfit to do my working day. Of course I need to wear these clothes if I go into production. So they're not the most stylish ones, but they're safe. I am about to visit the ongoing construction of the tertiary extraction unit at PMR. As you can see over here, there's a build-up. This installation aims to capture dust within the buildings, effectively minimizing dust emissions to environment. This aspect is one of the reasons I find working at Umicore so rewarding. Tackling challenges related to environmental concerns, safety and process optimization is a crucial part of our work. I'm pleased to be able to make a meaningful contribution to these efforts. Past minutes I became less productive because I started becoming hungry, so it's time to eat now and have a break. I'm stuffed. I've had a very nice lunch with very nice people. Now back to work. Alright, besides meetings and going into production, I also have to work on digitalization projects. So now I have to go on my desk and work on my computer. Final thing I wanted to say is if I'm able to make modifications on processes to improve the quality of our products at UPMR, imagine what you can do.